Hey, have you ever really looked up at the moon? I mean, not just a quick glance, but actually looked at it? You see all those marks and shadows, right? Well, in this little explainer, we're going to uncover the absolutely incredible story that's hidden in those scars.
Okay, so let's start with the most obvious thing you see, all those craters. It really makes you wonder, right? Just why are there so many?
Seriously, have you ever stopped to wonder why our moon has so many craters? It kind of looks like a giant golf ball that's seen way too many games. So how did it get that way? Well, believe it or not, the answer is way more dramatic than you'd think.
You see, the moon's surface, all those scars, they tell this epic story of, well, cosmic violence that's been going on for billions and billions of years.
So who are the culprits behind all these craters? We're talking asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. You have to remember, our solar system is a super busy place. And for eons, these giant space rocks have just been zipping all over the place, sometimes, crossing paths with planets and their moons.
So picture this. Imagine a giant asteroid hurtling through space, and it's on a direct collision course with Earth. But just before it gets to us, our moon drifts right into its path. It gets in the way, and bam! It takes the hit. And just like that, another crater is formed on the moon's surface. That's another scar from a hit our planet was totally spared from.
So you see, this isn't just some random cosmic shooting gallery up there. The moon isn't just a victim in all this, it's actually a protector.
And get this hasn't been a short-term job either. The moon has been taking these hits for us for like billions of years. We're talking almost since the very beginning of our solar system. It's been our silent shield the whole time.
You know, there's a really poetic way to think about this whole relationship. It's like Uncle Moon protecting Mother Earth. I just think that's such a beautiful way to picture this incredibly long and, violent, but ultimately protective history.
When you think about it like that, it completely changes how you see the moon, doesn't it? It's not just some satellite or, a big rock that controls the tides. It's a silent guardian. So every single crater you see up there, it's so much more than just a geological feature. It's a battle scar. A scar from a collision that was actually meant for us, right here on Earth. Every single one is a reminder of a potentially catastrophic event that we were spared from, all thanks to our lunar guardian.
So, the next time you look up at the moon, what are you going to see? Just a desolate rock? Or are you going to see a guardian covered in the honorable scars from its long, silent duty protecting our planet?